today's product review, we're looking at the TCX Comp Evo 2. Now, I've been wearing these boots for a couple of years and I find them very comfortable for a motocross or out in the bush. The big thing about Comp Evo 2 now is they've come out with some new colours and I think they look quite stunning. They still feature the double flex control system. The Comp Evo 2 offers front-rear flexibility and excellent levels of protection. The Comp Evo 2 comes with a high wear resistant microfiber and polyurethane outer shell, advanced microfiber inner for durability and high levels of protection. The breathable membrane ensures feet remain comfortable right to the end of a 30-minute moto or all-day trail ride. The double flex control system prevents overextension of the ankle joints in the event of a crash. 4 60/60 aircraft alloy buckles with multi-way adjustable straps for easy fitting. It also has an adjustable PU shin plate for maximum protection. And they still come with the wear-resistant, high-grip, replaceable Michelin sole. Like I said, I've been wearing them for quite a few years now, the TCXs, and I find them to be super comfortable. They're a great boot for wearing in the bush or motocross. The thing that I really love about these boots is the Michelin sole. They're very grippy. Even on standard foot pegs, you still get a great level of grip. So go and check out the TCX Evo 2 with their new colour schemes and you won't be disappointed in their comfort levels.